These are the Diamond Quartet Fingerless mitts. You'll make two of them. They're the same except that the motif on this one is mirrored in the motif on this one. You'll make this one first. It's mitt A. All the tutorial videos will refer to the motif worked on mitt A. When you get to mitt B, the cables will be familiar. Each mitt begins with a cuff in one color. The cables form at the top of each of these ribs. At the end of the round, these cables form that divide the front and the back of the mitt. The woven motif starts just after the thumb and ends just before the thumb. There is a separate video for reading the edge index. That keeps the color sequence correct in the motif. The thumb is knit in 4-color garter stitch. The cable that was at the bottom of the thumb will divide. Decorative line will travel up each side of the thumb. After the thumb, those lines merge and form the cable again. At the top of the mitt, there will be a cuff in one color, and the same for the top of the thumb.